In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 glorified AI tools you're probably not using, but you really should. These tools can save you hours of work, make your designs look more professional, and even spark creative ideas you didn't think you had. And trust me, there's one tool in this list that could completely change how you post on social media. So stick around to see which one it is. If you've been using Glorify just for quick designs, you're about to unlock a whole new level of what it can do. So here we go. Tool number 1, AI Image Generator. One of the most powerful tools in Glorify is the AI Image Generator. Instead of scrolling through stock photos for hours, you can type exactly what you need and the AI will create it for you. So for example, type in warm and cozy coffee shop interior with sunlight coming through the window. And within seconds, you'll have a matching image. You can even choose styles like realistic, 3D, or cartoon, and later, I'll show you how this image can come alive in motion. So let's move on to tool number 2. AI backgrounds. Select an image from your uploads or canvas, removes its background, and then let AI generate new background variations for you. Just make sure your image has no background first, then click generate. Whether you need a modern kitchen, a city street, or a tropical beach, Glorify creates it instantly. And yes, you can make these backgrounds move later too. Tool number 3, AI Writer. Glorify's AI writers help you create captions, headlines, or ad copy in seconds. Simply type a prompt and then you'll get one catchy headline. Tap the plus button to add it to your design and jump straight into editing. This is perfect for when you're stuck for ideas and need something quick that fits your visual style. Tool number 4, AI Image to Motion. Bring still images to life by adding motion effects like pan, zoom, or cinematic sweeps. If nothing happens when you try it, just restart Glorify, it'll work. Imagine your coffee shop background now with steam rising or sunlight shifting. Motion grabs attention instantly on social media. Tool number 5, AI Image Upscaler. If you got a small or low quality image, upload it, hit upscale, and AI will boost its resolution without losing detail. This is perfect for AI generated art, product photos, or old images that you want to revive. Crisp, clear, and ready for big displays or high quality prints. These tools are game changers. They make your work faster, your designs sharper, and your brand stand out. And since they're all in one place, you don't need multiple apps or subscriptions. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever worked without Glorify. So there you have it. The top 5 Glorify AI tools that you're not using, but you should. Try them out, experiment with prompts, and see how much time and effort you save. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.